welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be showing my friend Captain Panda how to make this cute little Arctic fox. And you might have seen it before on my Instagram. If you follow me, it's at CPTNCHKN.
Okay, so now we're going to learn how to make this.
Yeah, so first you're going to fold this into kind of like a triangle. Perfectly in half too. Show them when you're done, but look, this is what I'm making. We get 5 thumbs up. I'm gonna make a tutorial of just me. So now we fold this from here over here. Another weird triangle.
My brother does origami. It looks like a sandwich.
God. Well, we're almost done. So then, when you get this, you're going to want to fold these little flaps up. But on both sides, too. Like one on this side, and then you turn it over and do it on the other side. Yeah.
Like this?
Yeah, like that, like that.
Like this?
Yeah. And you do it on the other side, too.
Okay, so you do the same thing?
Yeah. You did it on the right. You turned it over, right? It looks like you did it. Wait up. Let me check this for you. Yeah, you did it on the wrong side. You're supposed to you had it like this. You're supposed to turn it over and put it up like that. Let me also fix this corner for him because
I'm not really good at origami.
Here, you do it. You do it. Point is that you're supposed to be doing it. So we're almost done. I don't know if you really could tell. Yeah, you got this.
It looks like a smaller triangle.
So then, this is the hard part. So pay attention. No, wait. You go like this. Like this is gonna be like these things. You go like this, right in the middle. Not here, because that's gonna mess it up. Right in the middle. You do it a bit. Like there's no exact measurement for this. I don't know why they didn't make this, but
like this.
You keep folding it up. Kind of. And then you get here, and then you fold this down right to the middle, and you already made the face. Let me see if you need help. Let me see. See what you got. So this is my friend's paper. So
I'm not really
you're gonna need to fold this part over here like that.
I'm not really that good.
Here.
So you keep pushing it until it gets there.
Yeah, I got this so far. I don't have the tail. The tail is really good for support. Like right now, if I go like this, it falls over.
I'm messing up the nose already when I'm going.
Yeah, that part when you're like this, you just press it. You have to press it down. Here, I'll press it down for you.
I really don't like doing origami. That's why I don't have hobbies.
Except for playing Minecraft.
Yeah, that too.
How
does he know it? How does he know it?
Well, yeah, I don't think
we're like friends.
I don't think this is. So, now we got this. Look, this is mine. This is a master. Look, I have years of experience.
This is a bad version of it. It looks like a cub.
Notice how this is very straight.
Triangle.
And then this one has this weird other fold in it.
It's like a double nose. It's like
this keeps falling down for some reason. I think
it's lumpy.
Background is good.
Lumpy.
Okay, here. And now, so we're going to open this up a bit. And we're going to take this little tip. And we're going to put it all the way to this part right here. And we're going to fold it like that. See, in this little tip where this thing was, you just kind of unfold it. And then go like that. And then you could pop it out and fold this back into place. Look at this. This isn't that straight. I messed it up a bit, but. And then you have this one that falls down.
Yeah, bad version of it. Okay,
doesn't even stand up. Well, yeah. Thank you so much for watching.
Sorry, little guy. Sorry, little guy. You have to fall down. They say you're fine, but you're not really fine.
Yeah. Also, we're cool. And look, if you do this with 2, even though this is kind of like an extra.
And then it's a whole pack.
You can make a whole circle like this, but you're gonna need
a whole
more.
pack.
Yeah, you're gonna need more though. So, yeah. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you do, please hit the thumbs up. Help more people see this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all later. Bye.
Bye.